Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to take you on a little tour of Citra's Spice Mart, a hidden gem located on Jalan Thambi Abdullah 1, right beside the DBKL grounds in Brickfields. For those of you looking for Indian household item, this is definitely a store you will want to check out. As soon as you walk into the store on the left side, you will notice the wide selection of herbal products for your health and beauty routines. They carry natural products that are popular in Indian households like herbal oils and powders. And as you walk to the right side, you will notice the wide selection of Indian spices, herbs, imported rice, and frozen items from everyday staples like pulses, lentils, fresh vegetables, etc. It's got pretty much everything you will need to create those authentic Indian flavors at home. And you can be confident you are getting good products. By the way, you can also find variety of dried vegetables known as pattals. Besides, they also have a section for kitchenware. It has a good selection of stainless steel and brass cookwares, whether it's traditional Indian utensils like idli, steamers, or just durable pots and pans. They have got some great options to choose from. Citra is also stocked with prayer essentials. If you're preparing for a religious ceremony or need items for daily prayers, this place has it all. From agarbattis to ghee lamps, you can find everything you need in one go. They even sell pre-packaged boxes with all the necessary items for events like weddings, housewarmings, and other prayer ceremonies. It also offers a wide range of imported snacks and coffee brands, including some iconic brands from India, from crispy murkus to spicy bhujias. There's a snack for everyone. They've also got local options, making it a great place to pick up a treat while you're there. While the store is a solid option, there are also other shops around Brickfields area offering similar products. So you've got plenty of choices, but I find the location very convenient with the less traffic congestion and relatively easy to find parking places. In short, Chitra's is worth a visit, especially if you are in the market for high quality Indian household goods. It's not about overhyping the store, but rather recognizing it as a good source for those specific needs. So if you're in Brickfields or just nearby, make sure to stop by and check out Citra's Spice Mart. You might be surprised at the variety they have, and who knows, you might even discover some new favorites. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think, or if you have any suggestions for future content. Thanks for watching.